What's up? Welcome back to another video, and if you're into Hux's World, and today, yes, we got a battle between the One UI 1.2 and the One UI 1.0. Now, of course, you know the Galaxy Watch has the newer update, and we're going to take a look at some of the similarities, some of the differences as well. But the UI has kind of changed so far as Bixby is concerned as well, and it does some other things through the update that it has gotten, like it can control smart things as well. We won't get into that. We're just going to do the basic comparison so far as commands are concerned. And with that being said, let's go ahead, let's kick this off and see if it's worth you using Bixby from this point forward. All right, you all, let's go ahead, let's check this out. First off, let's take a look at the UI so far as Bixby is concerned. All right, and it's different. Hi, Bixby. Very different. This is the old, this is the new. Now I'm gonna be honest with you, I do like the old a lot better. It kind of leaves a signature mark, right? Kind of ties into the theme of the Galaxy Watch Active, which I like, okay? But we're gonna check out the weather, because the weather is a little bit different, right? Now on both smartwatches, you're gonna get things like that you can do so far as making phone calls. You can go into your weather, open contacts, calendars. You're going to be able to go into your Spotify still, and also your alarm. So it does do a lot of the things the same, but there are a couple of things that I've noticed that are different on both smartwatches, okay? With that being said, let's go ahead and let's check this out. Now, let's start with the Galaxy Watch Active. Hi, Bixby. What's the weather? Now, what I don't like about this is that now it asks me for the location instead of just pulling up the weather. I don't know why they didn't carry it over from the Galaxy Watch and the Gear S3. It just pulls it right up. I thought that was a lot better, and I'm going to show you how it does it. Let's do it again. Now, here's what you got to do. Hi, Bixby. What's the weather in Chicago? Now, once I ask it that, then it pulls it up, right? But when it pulls it up, it gives me more information. Now, it's going to give you the weather for your times, 5 p.m., 6 p.m., 8, 9, which I thought was pretty cool. I do like that. I can find that being useful, especially if I'm out and I need a jacket. This is going to let me know if I do or not. Not bad at all. But let's check out the weather on this one. I'm going to show you the difference between the two. All right. Hi, Bixby. What's the weather? Now you see,
77 with lots of sunshine today.
I didn't have to add a city or anything, just as the weather. Now, I can't understand for the life of me why they just didn't carry that over, because this is what's convenient, right? Now, on the Galaxy Watch Rose Gold, it has a speaker. The Galaxy Watch Active does not, okay? Now, you'll see in a minute how it benefits both smartwatches so far as having a speaker and not having a speaker. And we'll take a look at that in a second. But let's go ahead. Let's start off with the Galaxy Watch Active, right? Let me wipe it off a little bit so we can see a little bit better. Okay, there we go. There we go. All right, so now in order to get this to respond so far as the command is concerned, you got to have the watch on. So if you have a gesture and you flick your wrist, it's going to come on. For everybody else, just tap on the button, and of course your screen will come right on. All right, so that's what I'm going to do right now. And I'm going to say, hi, Bixby. Open contacts. Now, there you go. It pulls up your contacts like you're going to get, of course, on your Galaxy Watch Rose Gold, which isn't bad at all. It's very convenient to have a feature like this, right? Let's check out the next one. Now, this one I love. Hey, Bixby. Recent calls. Now, for those of you all who did not know, yes, you can pull up recent calls, not only just recent calls, but also missed calls and your history. All right, so let's take a look at it. Hi, Bixby. Missed calls. Nice and quick. Not a bad deal at all. I'm loving this one. But let's go on. Let's keep it moving. Now, this is what's going to be different on the Galaxy Watch Active and also the Galaxy Watch Rose Gold. Now, here's the command. Hi, Bixby. Volume up. Now, As you can see, you can only do this if you have your Bluetooth headsets in, because this one does not have a speaker. But if you got your headphones on, you can connect. It will go volume up and volume down, which is a good feature to have on any smartwatch. Now, let's go to the next one. Hi, Bixby. Read unread text messages. And here you go. Very convenient. If you're on the go, you got things in your hand, you can just talk to Bixby and it'll pull it up. So I could see it being a little bit better than that of the One UI 1.0, right? But it's definitely a lot better than the original when we first got it on these smartwatches, which is cool. All right, so now let's check out the next command. Hi, Bixby. Steps. There you go. Pulls up my step count. I don't have to do anything else. I don't have to go into anything else as well. I just want to know my steps, and that's what it gave me. So this is not bad. I like a couple of the new features. I didn't go through a lot. You still got to mess with it to see what other features it has. But for the most part, S-Health is important, and a lot of people want to know their step status and where they are. And all you have to do is use a command, use Bixby, and you're good to go. So let's check out the commands on the Galaxy Watch Rose Gold. Now remember, the Galaxy Watch Rose Gold has a speaker. All right, with that being said, let's get started. Hi, Bixby. Open contacts. There you go. See, you open your contacts, no problem. You go in, make a phone call, text messages, whatever you want to do, you can do it with a simple command. So Bixby has gotten a little better, not as good as it could be, but definitely better. Let's check out the next command. Hi, Bixby. Recent messages.
There's no unread messages. Open message app.
Okay, so let's check out another command, right? Let's try something else. Hi, Bixby. Read messages.
I could not find any new messages.
Now, in order to read messages, someone has to have sent you a message. Now, this hasn't been used today. It hasn't been updated at all, so therefore it's not going to have any messages. But if I send a message to my smartphone, it will come up on the watch, and I will be able to read unread messages and also go into missed messages as well. So this isn't a bad deal. It does the same thing as the Galaxy Watch Active with the update. All right, let's check out the next one. Hi, Bixby. Remember, you got to cut it on. You see it didn't work. Hi, Bixby. Steps.
Here is your pedometer.
Okay, so it brings up your step status as well. It gives you your steps up at the top, which isn't a bad deal, but you also get your info on your step status so far as the week is concerned, which is a good deal. Compared to the Galaxy Watch Active, I don't know if I want to see that, because all I want to see is my steps for the day and calories burned. So let's see if it pulls up calories as well. Hi, Bixby. Hi, Bixby. Calories burned. So you can't pull it up on this one, but you can go to the device and check it out. But I didn't show you, so let's see if it'll still pull it up for us. Hi, Bixby. Hi, Bixby. Calories burned. Okay, I see that it's a hit or miss. Earlier, it did pull it up, which I thought was pretty cool, but it don't want to pull it up now. But that's still not a bad deal. I like what Samsung has went with this. It's getting better, one step, one update at a time. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed the smackdown between the Galaxy Watch Active and the Galaxy Watch Rose Gold. So hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know, what did you think about the update? Me personally, I don't think it's that far from the update that we already had for the One UI, the 1.0. So the 1.2 does add a couple of more extra features. You continue to play with it, you may find others, but for the most part, it's not a big update, at least in my opinion. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative, and if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.